Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. So I was contacted by Sahara, who make fans and computer cases, and they asked me if I'd be interested in doing an unboxing, review and test of their new fans, and I went, yeah, yes please, definitely. I know they make good fans because I have their fans on my computer case, my P35. It's come with 4 of them. And I even went out and bought another 2 to add to it because to get the better RGB lighting, and I think it looks really good. And it all synced up very nicely with their hardware that they use and the software. So they all do different patterns. Comes with a remote control for you can mess about with it. And I did make a video about it, and I'll stick it in the link at the end of this in case you want to see it. So when they said to me, you know, we've just released some new fans, would you be interested? I went, definitely, I'm definitely interested. And they're the duo rings, so they're still using they're still using the Pirate bit. So they reckon they're equivalent to the Pirate turbo ones, which is what I've got in now. But they just have duo rings, and what that means is they have RGB. Normally on an RGB fan, it's just on one side or the other side. Well, on the duo rings, they're on both sides. So you've got the advantage that you've got lighting going inside the case and lighting coming out the case, which I thought was an excellent idea. I'm surprised no one else has been doing it. I've had a quick look on the internet and I couldn't see anywhere that does the same sort of thing. So I was really pleased that I've received this to do that. And, you know, and if you have seen them online somewhere else, stick a link in the bottom and we'll have a look and see. But anyway, so I've got these and I'm definitely looking forward to doing a test on them and see how good they are. So these are the 120mm fans from Sahara, and it also says, there's a little warning here, this product must be paired with a Pirate Sync controller box. So they're saying that you should only use their controller. So it's up to you whether you want to use someone else's controller, but yeah, that's what it says on the back. It's got a hydraulic bearing, according to this, with low noise design, anti-vibration mounting system, 55 colour custom ball RGB LED illumination, and that's the same on all their fans as well. So if you've got RGB lighting, all their fans, I believe, are 55 colours, and compatible with Sahara Sync RF controlling hub, which is what I just read out to you just a minute ago. So what else can I tell you about? Nothing else really. So I'll quickly show you around the box. That's the front. That's the back. I'm just trying to do it so the light's not bouncing off it, because you don't want to get blinded by the light. Not like me. So yeah, I'm really pleased about this. So I'm going to do the unboxing and have a look and see what you get in there. Well, obviously you're going to get the fan. I thought it was nicely packaged. There's nice good quality boxes they use, which is a good thing. And there we go. So you get your mounting screws, and this is your anti-vibration, which is the same on the fans that I've got in there as well. So just quickly show you around it. So nicely made. So you've got your RGB light in there, and then you turn it round and you've got your RGB light in there as well. So yeah, very nice. They look good. The controller controls the speed of the fan as well as controlling the lighting. Nice length of lead. What's that, about 1/2 metre or something like that? And your normal connection. So what we'll do now, we'll plug it into the computer. I'll stick it on the outside for now. We'll plug it into the computer. I'll put it in the middle of the room, and we'll just have a look at it. I'll like stand it up like that or something, and just admire it, and have a look around it. Okay. Well, I think it looks really cool. Change the pattern, shall we? Right, so I swapped the fans over, as you can see. I've put them in the front, and I like them. I think they look cleaner, sharper. The colours look more, I don't know, vibrant and more I don't know, professional, maybe the word. If you look at my top ones, they've got little lights that go round. You can't see any little lights around there because obviously they're all covered in, and I think they look really nice. So that's it for this short video. Let me know what you think in the comments. So if you have any ideas, if you like them or dislike them, let me know. I like them. They definitely get my thumbs up. And I'm not saying that because they were sent to me. I'm saying that because I actually do like them. And I've always said I'll always be honest with you. I think they're very good. And I'm very pleased with them. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And make sure you subscribe. And also, if you do subscribe, click the little bell. And it will give you notifications for when I upload my videos or if I do a live stream. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.